Hi there, what's going on? My name is Art and here is Stranger English channel. Let's learn English together. "12 months of the year." January. I like playing computer games in January. February. I like to eat donuts in February. March. I drink some water in March. April. I like running in April. May. Let's fight in May. June. It's hot in June. July is a magical month. August. August burns red. September is the cruelest month. October. I wash up the dishes in October. November. I draw pictures in November. December. December is my favorite month of the year. What is your favorite month of the year? It was Stranger English channel. If you like it, please feel free to subscribe. But if not, subscribe! Hit the like button!